Welcome to Ad World. Hello friends, have you listened about any concept where you got 100% satisfaction with lifetime security? Yes my friends, today we are discussing about a brand new business opportunity that comes in market named as Ad World, from where you can achieve your all financial goals with lifetime security. My dear friends, Ad World is a ad viewing platform launched from London. It's a new innovation and social media technology system. So friends, today I will discuss about AdWorld, which is purely ad viewing company with their wonderful income plan, and this is one of the best legal, reliable and profitable plan. Friends, if we talk about the profile of company, so it is launched from London, United Kingdom, whose owner is George Lies, a great personality, and more than 1 million members are advancedly associated with it. Friends, AdWorld ties up with 500 plus MNC companies where you can earn daily profit by just viewing their ads, and companies management is fully transparent, where AdWorld provides you live chat option which is 24/7 hours available, and also the contact number of company who trained you at each and every point. For more info, you can simply visit on company's website www.adworld.me. Friends, AdWorld is the world's largest platform working in more than 10 countries, and company's main goal is to become best platform in the world for the advertisement purpose. So let's discuss about the business plan of this concept. So friends, this whole concept is based on euro currency, and if we talk about the joining amount of this concept, so there are three kinds of joining. In first type of joining, you have to pay one time €6 for personal verification or KYC charge, and another one is one time pay €12 for personal verification and document verification, means sub KYC charge. And friends, last one is one time pay €24 for all profile and KYC verification charge. Friends, the rate of euro is different in each country, and in India it is €1 equal to 85 rupees. So these are the joining packages of AdWorld. You can choose anyone and can start this massive earning income plan. So let's talk about the first income of this concept, that is ad viewing earning. Friends, for KYC €6 starter, daily 10 ads shown in your mobile, and you can earn €0.12 daily and monthly €3.6 by just viewing ads. Similarly, for KYC €12 starters, daily 10 ads are shown in your mobile, and you can earn €0.24 daily and monthly €7.2 lifetime. Similarly, for KYC €24 starters, daily 10 ads are shown in your mobile, and you can earn €0.48 daily and monthly €14.4, that is lifetime. So friends, it is an amazing concept where you can earn daily income by just viewing ads. Friends, let's talk about the invitation earning of plan for starter €6. When you invite 2 members, you earn €0.024 from each member and earn daily €0.048. Similarly, when your team works and your team size goes up to 10 members, you earn €0.024 from each member and earn €0.24 daily from second level and earn €86.4 yearly. Same friends, when your team size goes up to 100 members, you earn €0.024 from each member, and your daily invitation earning grows up to €2.4, where you can earn €72 monthly and €864 yearly, which is massive income. Friends, for premium €12 starter, when you invite 2 members, you earn €0.048 from each member and earn €0.096 daily income. Similarly, when your team works along with you and your team size goes up to 10 members, you earn €0.048 from each member, and your daily invitation earning is €0.48 from second level. And friends, you earn €0.048 from each member at each level, and when your team size increases from 10 to 20, 20 to 100, your daily invitation earning increases from €0.96 to €4.8, where you can earn €144 monthly and €1728 yearly by just viewing ads. Now, let's talk about the super premium starter by €24. When you invite 2 members, you earn €0.096 from each member and earn €0.192 daily. And friends, for this starter, you earn €0.096 from each member at each level. But when your team size increases, your daily invitation earning also increases from €0.192 to €0.96, then €1.92, €4.8, and last €9.60 daily. daily, where you can earn 3,456 euro yearly by just viewing some ads. So this is an amazing income. Friends, AdWorld also provide affiliate earning, from where you can earn great income. For second stage member, you earn 0.012 euro from each member of each level, and when your team size increases from 1 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20 and 20 to 100, daily second stage earning also increases from 0.12 euro to 1.2 euro. Same as for third stage member, here again you earn 0.012 euro from each member, and here daily invitation earning goes up to 1.2 euro. And my dear friends, similarly pattern follows from 4th stage member. It means from 2nd, 3rd and 4th stage you will get a same profit from every member, and you earn huge profit from this affiliate earning. My dear friends, here AdWorld provides you special bonus income. It means if you join 5 members within 1 week from your joining date, you get 5 euro as a bonus income. Similarly, if you join 10 members within 30 days, you get 10 euro as a bonus income. If you join 30 members within 60 days, you get 20 euro bonus income. And if you join 30 members within 90 days, you get 30 euro as a bonus income. If you join 50 members within 6 months, you get 50 euro as a bonus income. And friends, last, if you join 100 members within 1 year, you get 100 euro as a bonus income, which is great income. My dear friends, company's last income is promotional award. So when your team size become of 100 member, you have to direct 4 members and you get smartwatch as a reward. Similarly, on team size of 200 members, you have to direct 6 member and you get mobile phone as a reward. And my friends, you can see on the slide, for different circumstances you can achieve laptop, bike, office visit tour, standard car and luxurious car as a great reward by AdWorld. So let me tell you about the terms and conditions of the plan. Ad viewing timing is from start of the day to 11:59 p.m. every day. If you have skipped any one ad, your ad income will not be generated. You can withdraw at any time, which will be succeeded within 2 to 3 hours. Minimum withdrawal should be 1.2 euro. Your ID will active automatically after your online payment. Friends, you have many options for ID activation payment like Bitcoin, INR Gateway and Ethereum. Friends, lifetime you will watch ads and you get lifetime profit from AdWorld. Our target is only 1 CR for 10 million members. We will start in future a lot of social media platforms like shopping portal, recharge portal and all-in-one portal, etc. And also friend, after completion of 10 million members, company which launched their AdCoin, whose total amount is up to 50 crore coins. So yes my friends, this is all about the AdWorld. So friends, hurry up, because after completion of 10 million members, KYC charges will increases. And if you want to know more info about the AdWorld, how to registration, how to activate ID, so you can simply log into company's website or call on the number shared in front of your screen and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get all updates about the AdWorld. So sure friends, let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.